Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator on an Audi A6. First, gather your essential tools, including a serpentine belt tool, various wrenches, and sockets. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin. Next, carefully lift the front of your vehicle and secure it firmly on jack stands. This provides safe access to the engine bay and the alternator. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. Use your serpentine belt tool to loosen the tensioner, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, locate and disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the alternator. After that, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets. With the bolts and wires free, you can now carefully extract the old alternator from the engine compartment. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place the new alternator into its position, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the mounting points. Once aligned, insert and tighten all the mounting bolts to secure it firmly. After the alternator is bolted in, reconnect all the electrical connectors. Make sure each connection is snug and secure to prevent any issues. For the final steps, carefully route the serpentine belt back over all the pulleys, including the new alternator, and release the tensioner. Double-check the belt's alignment to ensure it's seated correctly. Once everything is reconnected and secure, safely lower your Audi A6 from the jack stands. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Start your engine and confirm the new alternator is charging properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.